Assalamualaikum friends, hope so that you will be fine. I'm also fine with the grace of God. Friends, my friend asked me that can we see microorganism with naked eyes. So today I'm gonna tell him and ask that we can see microorganism with our naked eyes. Friends, let's start our experiment. Before experiment, I am telling you that if you're new on my channel, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the video if you have enjoyed. Friends, in today's experiment, I have dirty water and a laser light and some stand. Friends, we are heading toward our experiment. The thing that we have today, we need an injection and joint to something that it might be some higher, and then the laser beam will touch it. When the laser beam will touches it, then the microorganism with the help of laser beam, the microorganism will be shown on that wall. Let's start our experiment. Friends, I have off the lights and now I have filled dirty water in a syringe and I have attached to it some higher object, and then I will pass a laser light through it. When the laser light touches it, then the microorganisms the water will be shown on the wall. That's water experiment. Can you see? Comment me below. Friends, the drop of water will act as a strong lens which can be used to see microorganisms. Friends, if you have enjoyed the video, then like the video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'm very grateful to you for watching this video. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next videos of this same experiment. Allah Hafiz.